What is going on, everybody? Coach DT with Dynamic Training. Hey, in today's video, I'm gonna bring you guys into our dynamic training class and show you our jump progression, okay? So these are the mechanics, the basic jumping mechanics that we teach our athletes, all right? From firing down with those arms and exploding up off the ground and landing in a good position. Your landing is really important when it comes to your jumping. So if you're interested in how to jump properly and how to follow along, because normally my videos, I just show you a drill. Well, in this, I'm actually working with my high school and my youth athletes. So if you would like to, you can actually do this drill with us in the video. So stay tuned, follow along with us.
As high as you can, the call's gonna be down. When I say down, we snap down. My butt's back, my chest is up, my arms fire back quick. Okay? A lot of us struggle to use our arms with us when we are jumping. This is gonna help train that. Okay, we're gonna do 5 reps. All I'm looking for. We're up tall, the call is down. I'm here, when everyone's down in a good position, I say relax, shake it out, we go back to the top. We're gonna do this 5 times, okay? Here we go, everybody's up on your toes. Up on your toes, arms are up, stretch, full stretch, and down. Try to widen those feet. Go, yep, widen those feet, perfect, and relax. Make sure you're in a position that you can jump at, whether you're gonna broad jump forward, whether you're gonna vertically jump up, right? Make sure you're in a position to jump. Here we go, hands are up tall, stretch, 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 down, snap. And relax. Make sure you're in a position you can hold, right? Let's snap down with a little more sense of urgency. Let's whip it down. Here we go, up tall. Down. Come on, I need you to snap down. And relax. This is not it right here. No, I need you to snap down. You should be as violent as me, not more violent. Here we go, up again. Down. Better. And relax. Look at me. Look at me real quick. This is not what I want. Because this is not a position you're going to jump out of. Right? Low. Low those legs. Here we go. One more time. Up tall. Down. Good. And relax. Phase 2, you're going to get 2 calls. First call, down. Same exact thing. Second call, jump. With your arms leading first, we're going to explode as high as we can. So it looks like this. We're up tall. Down. Here. Arms come with you first. Jump. As high as you can in the air. As high as you can. 2 calls. Down and jump. We got 5 reps. Here we go. Up tall. Down. Jump. Good and relax. Beautiful. Here we go. Number 2. Number 2. Up tall. Down. Jump. Good. Here we go. This is height now. Let's go. Put your feet off the ground. Here we go. Up tall. Down. Jump. So low. Here we go. 1 4. Tall. Down. Jump. Good. Let's get that. Nice job. Last one. Down. Oh. Nice job. Phase 3. We land in the same position as down. Right here. This is how I want us to end. So you're going to get 2 calls once again. We're up tall, call 1, down. Call 2, jump, snap down. We all should end in this position right here. When everybody's down, I say relax, you stand back up. All right, here we go. Yeah. Up tall, up tall, up tall, down, jump, sink it, hold. And relax. Good job. Hey, remember, not this at the end. This. Those arms got to go back. Because if we fire into another jump, and you land like this, the first thing you're going to do is this. So get those arms back. Load them up. Here we go. Up tall. Let's go again. Up tall. Down. Jump. Sit. Arms back. And relax. Good job. Here we go. Number 3. Down. Jump. Sit. And relax. Down. Jump. Because now what we're going to do is I'm going to say go, 1 call. And then you're going to give me 5 reps. Okay? So it's here, and it's go, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back and then hold it. And then relax, okay? Notice when I come down how violent my arms are, right? Here, fast, okay? That's how time we teach you to land this way because you're going to go right back into it. 5 big reps on Coach Troy. 5 reps. Up tall, and do it. And hold it. Arms back. And relax.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you jumped in. If you didn't and you just watched it, maybe next time rewatch it and put on some athletic apparel, put on some shoes, and do this with us, okay? Big thing here is, remember, there's 4 phases. The first phase is the down phase, right? That load phase, snapping down into that good position. If you don't master that position, your chest being up, your butt being down, your arms back, then the rest of the drill doesn't even make sense. So phase 1 is loading. Phase 2 is loading and then exploding, jumping up, using those arms first, whipping those arms up with you. Phase 3 is focusing on your landing, right? Being able to land in a loaded or reloaded position so that you can then do another jump and another jump, right? If we're not landing and putting ourselves in a good position, we're never going to be able to move into our next jump. Most of the time when we're jumping, it's going to be more than 1 jump at a time, right? And then phase 4, we're putting it all together. 5 strong reps where we load, we explode, we reload, and we go again and again and again. All right, guys. Hey, if you haven't already, subscribe. If you know somebody that needs to work on their jumping mechanics, feel free, share this with them. We'll see you next time.